Hey guys, so I just wanted to come and try to simplify square roots in a little story, so hopefully you can remember. So, an unknown amount of people live in a jail together, and this jail, everyone's given a shirt with a prime number on it. So, a prime number is basically any number that can't be divided further down into another whole number. So, for example, we have 5, 7, 11, etc. The only exception to this rule would be 2. So together, the numbers of the shirts are multiplied with each other, and a group is created called group 25. So there's a 5 and a 5. When they multiply the shirts together, you get group 25. And that's how they label their group in the prison. So group 25 live in this jail together, and one day they're told to gather on the basketball court to talk to the president of the jail. They say that they want to release some people to give them another chance out in the world, but they're not allowed to leave alone. They have to accompany each other. So, in fact, they can only leave if they can find another person wearing the same prime number as they have on their shirt. So, in this group, it's very easy. It's only two people. They look right at each other and go, wow, we're both wearing number 5. And because they found each other, they're able to leave the jail together. So, what they do is they're freed. They get to leave outside the jail, right? And when they leave, they love their individual numbers so much that when they leave, they start a business, and in their business, they call it Group 5, right? So these two people are now Group 5. They uh they happen to be the only person in the group in the jail, and since, you know, the jail has no more prisoners, the jail's forced to shut down. So you can say goodbye to the jail, and unfortunately, all you're left with is just group 5. So your answer is 5. Now, what if we backed up here and these people were actually not 5, but instead this group was called Group 99? So now you have an unknown amount of people in your group, but you know that they all have prime numbers. So how would you, sorry, this is bugging up on me. So now you have group 99, and you want to find, well, how many people are in my jail? That's what you need to do first. And so to find out how many prime numbers are in your jail, how many people, you need to find out how many prime numbers are in 99. So first, you would make a graph, right? You would make a chart, a tree, and you would find, okay, well, let's see, we have 10 and, or sorry, we have 11 and 9, right? But 9 can be broken up further. This group is its own subgroup of two threes. Group 11 can't be divided any further. So in this group, we actually have 3 people. So they're going to move on in here. Bear with me. So we're going to get 3 people in jail now. So now that we've found out that how many people we have in jail, now that we found out how many people we have in jail, we have to label them, right? So labeling them is not too hard. We just find, okay, well, 11 is a prime number, so we're good. 3 is a prime number, and 3 is a prime number. So we have 11, this guy's 3, this guy's 3. And so now the same rules apply, right? So the prisoner or the president says, all right, well, we're going to release some people, but you have to find the same number. And sorry, Mr. 11, but the 2 ones on your shirt don't count. It's going to be 2 separate shirts. So we look at these 2 people and they look at each other. They go through the group. They see an 11, but then they see another 3 and they say, hey, buddy, number 3, do you want to leave with me? And of course they say, yes, of course, yeah, let's go out in the free world and make a better world. So these 2 people, they leave and they call themselves Group 3. So now Group 99 is having a bad time. It's no longer, it has nothing to be called 99, no reason to be called 99. 99 doesn't mean anything anymore because when you multiply their group together, it's only 11 is left. So we're gonna get rid of Group 99, and we're now gonna call this guy who couldn't get out of jail, we're gonna call him Group 11. So Group 11 is left in the jail. And so when you look at this, you have Group 3 outside of the jail and Group 11 inside the jail. So this is what you have. 3 is outside, and inside is root 11. I hope this helped, guys.